Highlights of AI technology in 2024. AI in 2024 is nearing super artificial intelligence, raising both excitement and concerns, prompting new regulations on responsibility and ethics. Artificial intelligence is now mainstream, deeply integrated into daily life. Major companies invest billions in training systems, fueling fierce competition. Advancements toward AGI. Experts debate when AI will surpass human intelligence. While most predict years, new developments hint at an earlier arrival. OpenAI remains a leader despite many tech giants launching large language models (LLMs). In 2024, it introduced GPT-4, GPT-4.0, o1, Strawberry, and o3. o1 can handle complex questions with extended internal reasoning, narrowing the gap between human and machine intelligence. o3 and o3 Mini, released in December, further advanced AI reasoning capabilities, sparking discussions about AGI's arrival. AI-generated videos. Following the 2023 AI image boom, 2024 saw rapid growth in AI-generated video tools. OpenAI's Sora led the trend in February. Google's Veo, May, generates high-quality 1080p videos. Runway's Gen 3 Alpha, July, improves realism and consistency. Meta's Movie Gen, October, creates video and audio from text. Adobe and Chinese firms also entered the market. Despite advancements, only Sora is commercialized, December, and AI struggles with complex motion physics. AI chip boom. The AI chip race, mainly for Nvidia GPUs, accelerated. Meta plans to buy 350,000 H100 GPUs in 2024, bringing its total to 600,000. Microsoft targets 1.8 million AI chips and a $100 billion GPU investment by 2024-2027. Elon Musk leads aggressive AI chip acquisitions. His Colossus supercomputer, built in 122 days, uses 100,000 H100 GPUs, with plans for 1 million. Oracle's Larry Ellison admitted he and Musk had to beg Nvidia's CEO for GPUs. Broadcom's XPU chips are also gaining traction, with major data centers planning massive deployments by 2027. China, facing U.S. sanctions, relies on Huawei chips and alternative routes to access powerful AI processors. AI at the 2024 Nobel Prize. Geoffrey Hinton and John Hopfield won the Physics Nobel for pioneering AI research. David Baker, John Jumper, and Demis Hassabis received the Chemistry Nobel for protein structure decoding with AI. However, some argue AI's rising influence has blurred academic disciplines, leading to controversial award classifications. OpenAI's internal struggles. Following the failed CEO ousting in 2023, OpenAI faced more disruptions. Co-founder Ilya Sutskever and key engineers left in May, followed by senior executives in October. Internal power struggles and a shift toward profit-driven AI development caused discontent. OpenAI also faces a lawsuit from Elon Musk, who claims it deviated from its nonprofit mission. OpenAI counters that Musk originally supported a for-profit model. Don't miss exclusive discussions on AI industry shakeups. Subscribe now. 13,500 creators oppose AI in October. 13,500 artists, writers, and musicians protested AI's unauthorized use of their work. Former Stability AI executive Ed Newton-Rex called it a severe and unfair threat to creators' livelihoods. Regulations on responsible AI. In March, the UN General Assembly passed a resolution on human rights and AI risks. The EU's AI Act, August, enforces AI safety and accountability. Vietnam's AI expansion. Vietnam launched its first AI factory, April, via an Nvidia FPT partnership. In December, the government and Nvidia established AI research and data centers, positioning Vietnam as a rising AI hub in Asia. Want more updates on AI trends worldwide? Subscribe to our YouTube channel today.